Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm Devon, and this is Untitled Dipping. Yeah, we back, but this time it's a little different. You know, we got the sun going down right now. We want to kick back, set the mood right. Get your glasses out, man. Get your glasses out. Let me pour you a nice cup of that wicked wine. You want to see more of that? Stay tuned for the video. All right, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. We got the BMW over here, 535i. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it with the wicked wine. Then we're gonna hit the shadow black in certain areas. We also gonna do the wheels, shadow black. So y'all stick around. All right, now that we got our base laid down, we got our black base. We got like 6 coats on there. Now it's time to break out that wicked wine, put it on top. We did our top already with the shadow black. Still got the wheels left, so we got our top covered. Now it's time to get started. All right, now that we got the wheels complete, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna clean them up. We're gonna remove the overspray. Then it's showtime, man. Show you what we got right now. We got the wheels done, and we got the shadow black on the wheels. Just gotta finish them up. Like I said, clean them up and throw them on. So hold up. All right, we're at the end of our video. What we normally do, we like to do a walk around and explain to you exactly what we did to the vehicle. So let's go. We got the wicked wine all the way around. We got the BMW out. Customer gonna do something a little special to it. We got the shadow black wheels. We got the wicked all the way around. Wicked. I like the wicked wine, man. I'm a fan. I'm hoping you're a fan of this, Untitled Dipping. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like if you like it. Got a comment? Throw your comment in. We will respond. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the future.